What do Tesla, Airbnb, and that one taco truck in your neighborhood everyone won't shut up about have in common? They're purple cows, and unless your business becomes one, you're invisible. In a world drowning in noise, ads, and look-alike brands, being good is officially boring. Being safe, dangerous. Being fine, it's fatal. So let me ask you, would anyone actually notice if your business disappeared tomorrow? If not, buckle up, because Purple Cow by Seth Godin might be the book that saves your business from complete irrelevance. Picture this. You're driving down a country road, fields of cows on both sides. Black cows, white cows, brown cows, spots, stripes. You stop noticing after 5 minutes, but then, boom, a bright purple cow shows up out of nowhere. What happens? You pull over, you grab your phone, you post it on IG, you text your friends. You never forget. That's what your business needs to be. Remarkable. Golden's message is painfully clear. If you're not doing something worth remarking on, you're just another cow in the field. Safe is risky. Average is invisible. Remarkable is the only option. Here's your quick gut check. What's the most remarkable thing about your business? Not your customer service, not your years of experience. No one cares. What makes people stop, stare, and share? Don't have an answer? You're not a purple cow yet. Here's the brutal truth Seth drops early in the book. The era of mass marketing is over. Big ads, big spend, big reach, dead. In the old world, you could buy attention. Today, you earn it with boldness, with difference, with guts. Let me hit you with this stat. The average person sees 4,000 to 10,000 ads a day, and we ignore 99% of them. So if your business is playing the blend in and hope for the best game, you're just background noise. Remarkable businesses bake their marketing into the product. They make the product itself the ad. For example, Tesla, they spent $0 on traditional advertising. Why? Because a car that goes from 0 to 60 in 2.3 seconds, updates itself overnight, and looks like it belongs on Mars, sells itself. People don't share because they're nice. They share things because they're crazy, extreme, hilarious, bold, different, or emotional. Is your offer doing any of that? If not, don't expect referrals. Expect silence. Being a purple cow isn't a tactic, it's a mindset. Godin says, the key to success is to find a way to stand out, to be the purple cow in a field of average. But here's the mistake most people make. They think that being remarkable means being outrageous. Wrong. It just means being worth talking about. A bakery that only makes 13 cookies a day and sells out by noon. A gym where the lights are off and it's pitch black to fight self-consciousness. A barbershop that gives you free therapy with every haircut. These aren't gimmicks. They're purple. They're designed to get attention, but more importantly, they're designed to spread. Here's the part they don't tell you. Being remarkable is terrifying. It means risking rejection. It means some people won't get it. But as Seth says, the riskiest thing you can do is play it safe. So if you're a small business owner, here's your blueprint. Number one, stop trying to be better. Start trying to be different. Being the best is subjective. Being different, that's ownable. Number two, niche down, then niche harder. Serve a specific audience so well, they feel like you built your brand just for them. Number three, engineer word of mouth. Make your product or service so impossible not to talk about. Here's a purple cow example. Dr. Squatch soap. It's just soap, right? Wrong. It's soap for men who don't want to smell like a boy band. They talk to one audience with one voice, and the product matches the message. That's purple cow thinking. The choice is pretty simple. You can keep doing pretty good work and hoping someone notices, or you can become unignorable. You can blend in, or you can stand out. You can play it safe, or you can become a purple cow. If you're building a brand, launching a business, or creating something that matters, read this book. Then ask, what's the one bold move I can make that makes me unforgettable? Don't just make a product, make a remark. Be a purple cow. Your business, your legacy depend on it. Want more book breakdowns like this? Subscribe, like, and comment below. What's the most remarkable business you've ever seen? Let's get inspired and build something remarkable together.